What's up guys and welcome back. So today's video is a Sunday reset video. Usually when I spend my weeks working, I always take the time out on Sunday to just get myself together, plan content, plan things out for the week. I'm not really going to do too much talking in this video because everything is self-explanatory. And if I don't talk to you guys until the next video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new, welcome. And if you're already returning, thank you. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. We out. Peace. My shower, y'all, I decided to change my room up. So Sage no longer has her bed in front of my closet. closet is for closet stuff. She now has her own spot. Mama Shrita. She tired. It's been a stressful day for her, apparently. Hello. And then over here is just purses, body washes, stuff like that. And then on top is my sacred space, which I'm not going to show you guys. Hamper, plants, Sage's food. I got to hang that picture up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Okay. And until next time, you guys already know what I'm going to say. We out. Peace.